Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Snap and Sketch background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn off Snap and Sketch background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on Start, type here Settings. After click on Privacy, left panel, here option background apps. So click it. Scroll down. Here option Snap and Sketch. So as you want to turn off or disable, so select to off position. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off Snap and Sketch background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video work for or not. Thank you for watching.